we'll just be doing pattern 4 because we'll still be working on this. So in the winter, skiing is a dangerous sport. What is a dangerous sport?
Skiing, subject noun.
What is being said about skiing?
It
is what?
sport.
Is it a sport? Is sport the same thing as skiing?
Yes.
Yes, so it's a predicate noun. It becomes the what kind of sport? A in preposition in what? The pattern, subject, noun, pattern for check. In the winter, period. So back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Or is there an adverb exception? Sorry. No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? It's in inverted order because yeah. Franklin Roosevelt became a great leader of our country. Who became a great leader of our country? Franklin Roosevelt, and it's his full name, so we put it right in the middle because it's both of them. Subject noun, what is being said about Franklin Roosevelt? Verb became what? A leader. Is leader referring to Franklin Roosevelt? Yes, so it's a predicate noun. Became becomes the linking verb. What kind of leader? Of what? To this country? Possessive pronoun, adjective, pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, for, check. Okay, of our country. Period. So back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's in natural or inverted order. Okay, spring, summer, autumn, and winter are the seasons of the year. So, what are the seasons of the year? So, compound subject nouns. And make sure you guys are writing the correct abbreviations, because if you're not, then you're going to miss one. Okay. And is a what? Conjunction. Spring, summer, autumn, or what is being said about spring, summer, autumn, and winter? Are what? Are seasons referring to those 4 things? Yes. So it's a predicate noun. Are becomes the linking verb the. Of what? The pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, for, check. Of the year? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Okay, you guys are going to do number 4, and the pattern is subject noun, linking verb, predicate noun, pattern for check. Okay, so like I said, number 4 for homework.